Hi, I'm Allie. I'm going to show you what to expect if you subscribe to the Potomac Bead Best Box Treasure Edition. Each treasure box experience is different. They're going to have different supplies in them and a different collection of beads to create with. The treasure subscription usually has a tone to it or a theme going along. This one, example, February, had a very Valentine's theme, giving everything from regular beads and gemstones to seed beads, metal beads for spacers, Potomac crystals, vintage check glass beads, beautiful coral in this one, some fun, helpful tools like pens, bead stoppers, stringing material, as well as findings like eye pins and more seed beads, unique mixes, and check glass. The kits for the treasure edition are going to always be different. So you're guaranteed that each month will lead you in a different direction of creating. You can see this box is just beaming with new ideas and new examples to use everything from these super modern right now kind of candy necklaces going really boho and young and fresh with these, to getting those nice pearls in that you can design and play around with. Each month, not only do you get this box of surprises in your treasure subscription, but in addition to that, you're going to get some live content with us featuring the box, designing on the fly, as well as videos that we bring to Potomac Beads inspired by our box creations. So whether or not it was this beautiful chevron button bracelet from our January box, featuring some Ava beads, some Potomac crystals, seed beads, and a vintage check button, or you just pick up some wire and go with some of the gemstones that have been featured, like these labradorite. You can even bring everything that you want and do some bead weaving like I did with this month's box, creating this crystal heart 2-layer with the pearls and the crystals, grabbing some basic stringing materials and creating a nice, equally kind of geared bracelet towards, luxe and luxury with the use of the metal beads that are included in this beautiful mermaid glass. Showing different techniques that you can do, like creating coils with some of those eye pins, and how to think each month outside of the box. So when you open up your Potomac Beads treasure box each month, you'll get a surprise of all the different materials that are included in each month's box to help you to create, inspire, and really to become, as we always say, a better beader. Each box is full of inspiration, design ideas, and carefully curated to make it easy for you to create multiple pieces, and really build up a stash, especially if you're just getting started. So if you're just starting out with this craft of jewelry making, or you're an expert beader, you'll find happiness in this treasure box. We like to let you think outside of the box and challenge you to use your materials to create and to perfect some new skills. This is a great box for a beginner to start building their stash with lots of useful products. That's not just some random things thrown in the box. You get lots of usable products that we create with and that we have carefully designed to send to you each month. Each month, your subscription box, like we said, will change, and you will get it around the 7th of the month. That you'll get that shipping notification that the box is on the way, and you can anxiously await for it to arrive to you to start creating. Don't forget that you can subscribe to receive this box every single month. If you want to subscribe, check around and look down further below for details to do so. As always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more inspirational videos.